Let me show you how we can capture local snapshots of the diagram in Freeform. This is super helpful if you got really big diagram or you like to zoom in really close. So let's say I'm zooming like that, showing this orange part of the diagram. I want to save it as the snapshot. I can open this scene menu here at the bottom, the little star icon. Take a look, we can add scene, and this is now saved. Then I can head to another part of my diagram, like here at the top, and I can again add a scene here. And all of those scenes will be saved in this handy menu. Take a look, we can jump between those scenes. Very handy. More than that, if somebody in your team is outside the software, or you simply want to insert those scenes in like presentations or documents, you can also export them. So I can export scene 1 as the print screen, so this would be a regular image, or as the PDF. So I can save this as a PDF. Take a look, that's a little PDF exporting only part of my diagram. So that's going to be really helpful if you got huge diagram or you simply want to hide part of your board. It's like work in progress, it's a bit messy, you just want to snap this area and show that. And the second option will give us the print menu of your computer. So if you got a printer plugin and you head here, you will have this pop-up and you can print it on paper straight away. So that's handy as well. In addition, we can of course delete the scene in any moment or replace it. Alright, so let's delete the scene, it's gone. Let's delete the scene and it's gone. So as I mentioned, this is extremely helpful if your diagram is really large or it's pretty messy and you don't want to show everything at once, so you want to hide some elements of it, or you simply want those shortcuts to jump from one end to another using that. Alright, so this is a new addition to this great diagramming software from Apple. Now we can make scenes and we can easily jump between them, so you can literally do the whole presentation inside this program. So you can like set up 10 different scenes all around and then use them as slides. So the program will jump from one area to another while you are presenting stuff. So that's nice. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.